Zaga what? Baby,
Doing your love they hide me like it be bowling. Yeah, we supposed to link up, but you be Johnson.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dipbrow back again with another video for you guys. Yes, I've been gone for a long time. You guys don't have to tell me, I know. I'm not even gonna sit here and just give you guys an excuse the way I always do. Yes, I was away, that's that. Anyways, for this makeup look today, as you guys can already tell from the title, we are doing another W7 dupe. I don't know how to do it because most of the time the quality of their products and the price they sell it, I'm like, really? Like, this iron product that's selling theirs for this price and W7 is out here selling theirs for this price. So I don't know, my price is actually different from the price other people got it. Like, some people I've seen on YouTube say they got theirs for £11. Not really. I don't think I've ever got any W7 products for like more than £10, and that's because they're like a set. That's why I got them for £10, but I've never spent up to £11 for a W7 product. I'm so sorry to say that, but I know people are out here buying it for that price. Anyway, so my own palette right here, I got it for £5.99, and if you guys are wondering where I got it from, I got it from B&M. So this is how the packaging look. My thumbnail already says it all. As always, W7 try to replicate as much as they can, and their packaging, start with their packaging basically. They try as much as possible to get it to look like what they're trying to do, and you guys can also tell like they were pretty close. Not 100%, but like they were pretty close. And then when you do open the palette, you get all, how many shades are there? So you get 17 eyeshadow shades, which are all nudes, and one concealer right here. I did try the concealer in the videos. As you guys can also see, the arrangement of the shade is exactly like the way the Huda Beauty is. Like, I just feel like they're just saying to all these iron products, like, come sue us, like, we don't give a bleep about what you guys think. Like, they just, I don't know what arrangement they have with them, but this W7 are not scared of all of them. Like, they're not scared of lawsuit with the way they're going about with their business. I'm just gonna stop talking, and I'm just gonna let you guys just see how this palette ended up giving me this look. Anyways, before I let you guys go, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you like it, because I notice you guys like this kind of video on a normal day anyways. So make sure you give this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoy, and don't forget to also subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. I know I haven't been consistent lately, but still, you don't want to miss it out whenever I upload any interesting videos, because I try to make sure my contents are actually interesting. And when you just subscribe, like I always say, make sure you also turn on your bell button so that you'll be notified whenever a new video is up. And yeah, that's basically just to email you whenever a new video is up. Like, yeah, you know this girl on YouTube called Dipbrow, she's been away for a while, but finally she has a new video up, so go check it out. So that's basically what that bell is all about, so just make sure you turn that on as always. And without any further ado, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna jump into this beautiful makeup look right here, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. So to start with today, I'm gonna start by doing my face. My face has gone through so much, yeah, I'm not even gonna lie. That's kind of like part of the reason why I haven't filmed in a while. My face has been going through a lot, so we're still recovering and we're not fully there yet. So guys, like we always do, we're going to be starting up with the face today. So first things first, we're going to start by priming our face, and I'm going to be using my Health Face Primer right here. I've been trying to be using things that are really good for my skin. Like, I'm telling you guys, I've gone all out with buying like so much skincare product. Like, if you come to my left-hand drawer, you see a lot of skincare, because I've gotten into skincare a lot lately. After my skin went through that, I was like, nah, skin is really bad. I need to get back into the habit of like my skincare routine. So yeah, like most of my money has been going into skincare lately as well. So that's what I'm trying to say. So now we're gonna go into the Modern World Face Base Face Primer right here. I'm gonna go in with this one next. This is actually my everyday primer. Like, if I'm wearing makeup like every single day, I always do this combination, because after I use it, I feel really moisturized, and that is good. So for foundation today, like we always do on my channel, we're going to be trying new foundation, and the foundation we're going to be trying out today is the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra 24 Hours Foundation right there. So I'm going to be trying the Lancome foundation today. It claims it has SPF 5 in it. It's not a lot of SPF, but I actually give it to them for having something in there, so that's good. As always, your girl went in and got 2 different shades right here. With me here, I have the shade 11 and the shade 12 because I wasn't really sure what shade is like my actual shade, but still at the end it was not actually none of them were really my shades, but I just mix them together and just carry on with my day. Just wanted to use it for you guys so you guys can see how it looks. Yeah, this one right here that I just put all over my face is the shade 12. As you guys can see, it's really red. It's on the orange side. I can tell it's almost close to the same color as the top I'm wearing. So now I'm gonna go into 11. So 11 is a bit light. This is what I keep saying, probably 11 it's more closer to my shade than 12. And like so, see, it's really red. Oh my god, I'm terrible at buying foundations, really bad at it. But anyways, that's not what gives me my final look, because I put a lot of things over. Like for those who know me, like my foundation color doesn't really determine the finished look of my face basically. And this foundation smells so nice, guys. It smells lovely, and it's a full coverage foundation as well. Sealing my under eyes today, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty concealer. This is in the shade 360. This is going to brighten me up and bring me back to my normal shade basically. So I'm going to be going back to my foundation brush. So because the foundation was too dark, I then bring this to the side a bit, and then the color of the foundation is going to serve as our cream contour instead. Quickly set this all in, and to do that today I'm going to be using my Ben 9 Banana luxury powder. I don't bake, I just basically just go in and set and just carry on with my life. We're gonna move on to setting the contour we have going on. Since we didn't do a cream contour and we used the foundation as our contour instead, we're just gonna basically just set it and just move on with our life. And to help me do that today, I'm gonna be using another W7 product, which is the this is gonna be the first W7 products we're using today. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using their Ula bronzer right here. Ula Lulu. Ula Hulu. So I'm just going to use that to basically just set the foundation that is acting as our cream contour for us today. Okay, I'm going to bring it into my hair as well, my edges, because as you can see my scalp quite light, so we just don't want them demarcation, so I'm just going to put that into my hair as well. Okay guys, so now we're gonna move on to contouring our nose, and to do that today I'm going to be using another W7 product. This is their blotting powder in medium. Now we're going to move on to our eyebrows. So we're going to quickly do our eyebrows. I really don't do much to my eyebrows as well lately. Like I just do something natural and just move on with it. So I'm going to be going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in the shade dark brown to help me fill in my eyebrows as always. we're gonna go into our Revolution white concealer. This is literally white like it says. Anyway, so this is how it looks on the inside. Let's start with the way it looks on the inside. Comes with a mirror, which is good, and the arrangement of the eyeshadow is exactly like the Huda Beauty one. So these people are not scared of lawsuits. They're just going in and just doing what they please, isn't it? As always, it comes with its own brush right here. It's always a double-sided brush in it. So yeah, with their brushes, it's always a double-sided brush. So you have the blending side right here, and then you have the, you know, applicator side right there. So that is good. So I'm gonna go with this shade right here first. This right there as my transition color. And as always, just pat down. Ooh, that's actually really pigmented as well. I haven't swatched it. Like, as you guys could see, I just opened it straight away. Oh my god, can you guys see the way that just one tap? Wow. So just to help us blend the edges out, I'm gonna go back to the brush that I used to contour my nose, left over there. I'm just gonna use that to basically just feather the edges out like so, because we don't want any harsh lines. I want to try that concealer, so let's go for the concealer. I'm gonna use the other side of brush as well. So let's go for the concealer and basically cut our crease, because like I said, I want to try like a whole lot of the shimmer and see how it's gonna look like all together, because I'm trying to like use as many eyeshadow as I can. I'm gonna go with this shade, like it's like a golden color. I'm gonna go with that, and it's like a chunky shimmer. I don't know how they did it. Okay, let's go for this one. There's another chunky glitter. So now I'm gonna pick up this one right here, and I'm gonna place it like all over the rest of my wing. Okay, so I'm going into this one next. It's more like the dark, a bit darker than the first purple one we started with. I just want to put that just a little bit like right here before the dark brown, because I don't like the demarcation I'm getting. Yeah, that looks a lot better. I'm gonna go into this red right here, this one, and then that is just going on top of that. Oh my god, if that lets me. Okay, that is actually coming together nicely. I think doing this was a great idea, like putting the red kind of glitter on top of it. It actually just made it look even better. Okay, so I'm just gonna pack the rest glitter on it, like the wing. So I'm gonna go back to my Fenty Beauty foundation, concealer. Just grab a bit. I just want this wing to look nice and sharp. Let's just go in and make that look okay. So we have that done. So basically I'm just setting my concealer now with my banana powder. So now I'm gonna line it. I'm gonna go into my liquid eyeliner. So for mascara today, we're gonna be using my favorite mascara, which is the Max Factor mascara. Okay guys, now that we're done with both eyes, we're gonna move on to our under eyes. So to help me line my waterline today, I'm gonna be using my Miss Rose eyeliner right here. So now I'm gonna go back to the palette and we are gonna basically pick up the color we used as our transition color, which is this right here, and we're blending this into our under eyes. This look is not going to be complete without us doing our cat eye like we always do. So here we go. Okay, now I'm going to go back to my mascara. I'm going to be applying this to my bottom lashes. I don't want to wear lashes with this look. I just want this look to stand out, okay? So no lashes. Yes. So now we're just gonna finish up our face with our finish powder, and my finish powder today is gonna be my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless powder. This is my favorite finish powder, and this is in the shade 350 Caramel. Okay, for highlight today, we're going to be mixing two highlights today. This is the combo that I've been into lately because I just feel like one is just too gold for me and one is just too chunky for me, so I mixed the two of them together. So I'm going to be using my Becca highlighter in the shade Bronzed Umber. This is my go-to highlighter for like natural look. I'm going to mix that with my Elizabeth Arden highlighter as well. This is in the shade Warm Glow 1. So if you guys are wondering how they look before we get started with the highlighting, so the Elizabeth Arden one looks something like this. It's like a baked highlighter, and then the Becca one looks something like that. So we are mixing these two shades together. Like the color are not far apart, but you guys will see what I mean when I use it. Like it just gives this nice glow. Like it just looks like my natural skin glow. So I'm just gonna, you'll see that when I'm done. So I'm just gonna go in. I feel like I need a bit of blush. So because I don't have any blush like close to me right now, I'm gonna go back to the palette and basically pick up this kind of like purple color right here, and I'm going to use that as my blush instead. Ooh, just a little bit of the brow, don't do too much. So I'm just going to quickly set up my face basically. So I'm going to be using my e.l.f. setting spray. Okay guys, so while my face is getting dry, we're going to move to the final step, which is the lips. So I'm going to be using two lipsticks today. So I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Stripped and the shade Toast. So we just used Stripped, so now we're going to go in with Toast. Okay guys, so this is the finished look right here. It's bold, like the eyes is bold, but still the makeup looks natural. Anyways, I'm just gonna let you guys go, and I'm gonna go pull myself together quickly, and we can jump into the slow motion right away, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.